If you're on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to max legacy and restart 3ds Max. Create a line and make it long enough for your road. GTA roads are usually 12 meters wide with 5-meter wide sidewalk that tends to be 0.35 meters tall. If the road looks different than what it's supposed to, select the section line, press 3, and rotate by 90-degree increments until you get the correct result. Texture the road and sidewalk. Connect edges along the road where you want the two textures to meet. Change the texture of the other part of the road to dirt road. Create a clone of the road. Insert an edge where you want the blend to start, and another edge close to the blend for some elevation, and fill in some more polygons to add a bit more detail to the blend. Begin painting the blend. Elevate the blend mesh ever so slightly by tweaking the vertex positions in Z. This is to prevent Z-fighting where polygons conflict with each other. Copy channel 9, data to vertex alpha channel. The reason for this is the two channels are responsible for rendering vertex alpha during day and night each. Set up your vertex colors. I'm just adding gray color to both. Export both without light flag and with vertex prelights and extra vertex colors. Vertex alpha cannot render with light flag, which is the setting that adds skylighting and some exposure to models. Export the base terrain collision. With MTA, you can reuse the base terrain collision for the alpha blend as well. But if you are modding single player, you will instead need to create a separate collision for the alpha blend. To do so, import your collision into Steve M's collision editor and click Create LOD. Delete the original collision and save as collision. As alpha blend is only an overlay, it won't need its own collisions, but only collision bounding box and sphere.